Envelopes, random circles, broccoli, beet, tomato, carrot, cabbage, onion, pencils, ghosts, avocados, a muffin, and some skulls. Before baking, 275, 15 minutes. Bake well, my little babies. So it's the next day, the glaze is fully dried, and as you can see, lesson learned was don't use regular gouache on these clay pins because gouache it reactivates when you add water to it. So when I painted the Sculpey glaze on it, it started to reactivate the paint and smear. So you can see how they ended up smearing. Too bad the crayon was pretty cute, but it's all smeared. This one smeared really bad, actually. So I'm gonna leave the rest of these unglazed until I can find something else that will work on glaze. I saw there's like a gouache varnish that another YouTuber used to make her clay pins. So I think next time I'll check that out to maybe finish these. And I realized that the other YouTubers I'd watched, when they made their clay pins, they used the Hobein Acryla Gouache, which doesn't reactivate when you re-wet it, like it doesn't re-wet. So I think that's how you can glaze or varnish clay pins that you've painted with gouache. So lesson learned, and I still have half a block of Sculpey, so if I do it again, hopefully I'll do a better job. Also yesterday, after being a little disappointed and frustrated with the clay pins, I went ahead and tried painting the back of one of these postcards, which is one of the projects I wanted to do next. What I did is I used this white gesso on the back of the sort of glossy postcard to prepare it, and I really like how it turned out. This is actually a postcard from Brisbane, which the day we had in Brisbane, the sky was actually pretty clear, but all the days in Sydney, the sky was very polluted, very yellow because of the bushfires nearby. So I painted the sky yellow and then later realized I painted it on the back of the Brisbane postcard by mistake. But then I took this pencil, which I got yesterday as well. It's one I've been wanting to try out, the Koh-I-Noor Hardmuth Magic pencil. It has all these different colors swirled into the lead, and I love it. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I didn't plan this at all. I just like painted the sky and then I put some water down, and I was planning to do Sydney, but then I realized, oh, this was Brisbane, so I just sort of reference the front of this postcard as I drew a skyline with this pencil. There's a little texture here from the gesso, which I think you can sand down the gesso to make it smooth before you add paint, so I will try that next time. But I like the way the texture looks on this now, and I really like this pencil. I think it's a fun way to draw line drawings and add a little color and play to it, and I'm gonna write like a little memory of Brisbane and this trip. So that is my next project, is a little preview. We've got Barcelona, we've got, what's in here? We've got Berlin and Finland, Helsinki,
Dresden, Germany, Ankara, Turkey, Dubai, and Abu Dhabi.
So, yeah, thanks for watching.